Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Okay, our exam is over and a big congrats to all because you got a very good mark in maths. Okay, I'm so happy about that and welcome all of you to the maths class. Okay, the last class we are studied about short form and expanded form. Is it clear? Okay, there is no doubt. Very good. Now we are going to learn about a new topic and that is skip counting on the number line. Okay, what is the topic? Skip counting on the number line. What is skip counting? Skip counting means adding the numbers forward. It helps the students to get an idea about the number patterns of the numbers and also the multiplication fact. We can study the multiplication facts in next class. Okay. The skip counting means adding the numbers forward. We can skip count any numbers. Okay. We can skip count any numbers. Adding the numbers forward. So, the first is skip counting by twos. Okay. Skip counting by twos. We are going to learn about the skip counting and first is skip counting by twos. Okay. You can understand what is skip counting by twos with an example. Okay. First one is the number line. Do you know what is a number line? Yes. First, we can draw a number line. Okay. We can draw this is a line. Now we can make a number line. Start from 0. We can write to 20. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay, 17, 18, up to 20. Okay. This is a number line. Start from 0 to 20. Can you see this? Now, our topic is skip counting by twos. Okay. So, we can start counting from 0. Okay. Count with me. From 0, we can count 1, 2. From 0, listen here. From 0, we can count 1, 2. We get? Yes, we get. We reached the number 2. And we can mark like this. Okay. Start from 0 and count it 2. Count by 2. 1, 2. Is it clear? Next, start from again 2. 1, 2. We reached the number 4. Like this method, we can count again 2 from 4. 1, 2. We reached in which number? Yes, we reached in 6. Is it clear? Okay. Next, from 6, we can count, start counting and reach it in 1, 2. Yes. Okay. We reached in the number 8. Next, again we count 2. 1, 2. Okay. 10. Then again 2. 1, 2. Okay, simple, very simple. From 2, we can start counting. 1, 2. Yes, we reached the number 40. Okay. Next, again from 40, count 2. 1, 2, we get the number 60. From 16, again count 1, 2. Which number? Yes, 80. From 80, again to 1, 2, we reach the number 20. So, this is the representation of skip counting by 2's in the number line from 0 to 20. Okay? There is a regular interval of time. There is a skip counting at any number. That means from 0 to 2, we get skip counting by 2, we get 2. Then the number 4. Next 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and at last 20. Is it clear? This is the skip counting by 2. That means adding the numbers forward. This is which number is adding forward? Yes, the number 2. So is it clear? Skip counting by 2's. We add the number 2 forward. Okay? The next is skip counting by 3's. Our next is the same method. We can skip counting. Skip counting by 3's. Okay? Like skip counting by 2's, we can make a number line here. We can make a number line. And write from 0 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. We can erase it. So, this is the skip counting by 3. How can we skip count by 3's? Yes, simple. Like 2, we can start from the number, yes, 0. Count 3. 1, 2, 3. We get, yes, the number 3. Okay. The next, we started from the number 3. Count 3. 1, 2, 3. We get, yes, 6. Again, from 6, count 3. We get, yes, 9. Very good. Again, count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3. 1, 2, 3. 50. 1, 2, 3. Count 3. 3. Okay. So this is the skip counting by 3's. This is the skip counting by 3. Add which number forward? Yes, the number 3. We start from 0. We count 3. We get the number 3. Okay. Next, again we start counting from 3. We get the number 6. Okay. From 6, we count the number 3 and we get 9. From the 9, we count again the 3. We get 12. Okay. From 12 we again count 1, 2, 3. We get the number 15. Again we count from 15. By 3 we get 80. Here the skip counting by 3. The representation of the skip counting by 3 is on number line. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, very good. And our next is skip counting by 5. The same method we can skip counting by 5s. Okay. So we can represent any number, skip counting by any number on the number line. Okay. So we completed the skip counting by 2s. Next, the skip counting by 3s. And third one is skip counting by 5s. The same way we can make a number line. We can make a number line and mark from 0 to 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Here the skip counting by 5. The same method of skip counting by 2s, skip counting by 3s. We can represent the skip counting by 5s on a number line. So we start from 0. We can count which number? Yes, the number 5. Okay. Start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reached the number? Yes, we reached the number 5. Okay. Next, again count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get, yes, 10. Okay. From 10, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get, okay. And last, again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get the number 20. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? From 0, we start from the counting 0. We get the number 5. Then again we started the number. We count the number from 5. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we get the number 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get the number 15. Okay. Again we count. We get the number 20. Is it clear that? Skip counting by 2s, skip counting by 3s, skip counting by 5 and last skip counting by 10s. Okay. Skip counting by 10s. Skip counting by tens. The same method. First, make a number line and mark the numbers from yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. We can skip counting by 10. So, we start from which number? 0. Count it. We can start count. Okay, count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, very good. We reached the number 10. Okay. Again, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So, we start from 0, we get, count by 10, we get the number 10, then 20. Okay. Is it clear? The last is skip counting by tens. We start from the number 0 and count the number 10. We get the 10. Again we start counting. We get 20. Okay. So we can skip counting any number. Okay. We can skipping by any number and it helps the students to understand the numbers pattern and also multiplication fact. Multiplication fact we can study next class. We can revise it. First we skip counting by 2s. Next is skip counting by 3s. At a regular interval of time we skip a number. Okay, at regular interval of time we skip a number and in skip counting by 3 we skip the number 3. Here the representation of skip counting by 3 is in number line. Sometimes you got only the numbers. Okay, I will show an example. Okay, next is skip counting by 5s. Skip counting by 5s and same manner make a number line and write the number from 0 to 20. Skip the number from 0 and the number is 5. We get 5. Again we skip counting by 5. We get 10, 15, 20 following numbers. Okay. And the last is skip counting by tens. That means the same method of 2, 3s and 5s. Skip counting the numbers, that is 10. Start from 0. We starting the numbers start from 0. We skip counting and we get the first number 10. Again we skip counting and we get 20. That means we add the numbers forward. Okay. So, is it clear? There is no doubt. Exercise page number 60. All of you take the math textbook and page number 60. Page number 60, exercise 5, A, B, C, D. 4 exercises are there. First one is skip count by 2, start from 2. The question is very important. So, I will show how to solve that. You get the numbers 1, 2, 3. I will write some numbers here. Okay. I will write only some numbers here. This is your number. And the question is a skip count by 2, start from 2. That means you can start from 2. Okay. Start from 2. So, from 2 we can skip counting by 2. That means 1, 2 we get 4. Then again 6, 8, 10 and 12. Okay, you got an idea. Next is skip counting by 3, start from 3. Again the same manner. Start from 3, you skip the numbers by 3. And next one is skip counting by 5, start from 5. And the D question is skip counting by 10, start from 10. Is it clear? So, today we are learn about the skip counting. Skip counting is a technique that helps the students to understand the numbers patterns and also multiplication fact. It means add the numbers, the same numbers forward. Okay, and you have an activity in page number 60. You should write all the skip counting 2, 3, 5 and 10 in your notebook and also complete the exercise 5 on a textbook. There is no doubt. Okay. And also I think you had understood all the concept that studied today. Thank you so much.